Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to tame your horse in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, once you go around and find any horse in the wild, all you have to do is to simply approach it and then try to chase it before it runs away, and then click on F. Once you click on F, now you have it, and the only way to keep it trustworthy so it doesn't keep running away is to feed it with carrots. So you can just pick up carrots and then right click on it so that it can eat, and so it will start trusting you. But the second you leave it, then it starts running away, and so all you have to do is to make it trust you. Now, if you would like to capture the small horses so that you can keep them around, then all you have to do is to create a capturer, which you can make by simply first creating your workbench, which you can click on your inventory. In your inventory, you can create it by getting 4 tree logs and 3 stones. And then once you click on it, you're going to create a farmer's workbench, which you can find right here in the middle. For farmer workbench, you will need plant fiber and any tree logs. And now once you have it, you're going to place it wherever you want. And so once you place it, you're going to check for this one, the capture. So from here, all you have to do is to get the materials for Essence of Life, which is going to be gotten by killing anyone or any mob during the day, and any wood that you have. Once you craft it, then you can have it with you in your inventory once you have any space, and so you can then approach any small horse that you would like, and then from there just grab it, and now you have it in your inventory, and then you can just place it wherever you want. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.